Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called Cashyy, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn PayPal money with it, and also whether it is actually worth your time and effort to go and try Cashyy. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop. We're going to briefly go through some bits and pieces, and then we're going to dive straight into the app on our mobile and show you exactly how you're going to earn money with Cashyy. Okay, so we've dived over and we've come across to the Google Play and the Cashyy app here. Now, as you can see here, they've had over 118,000 reviews and they've had over 5 million downloads. Okay, and with those reviews, we've actually scrolled down, they've actually got a rating of 4.4. So as apps goes, that is a fantastic score, and certainly from that amount of reviews. Now the thing is, obviously this is Google Play, and Cashyy is only available on Google Play and on Android at the moment, so it's not available on iOS. So if unfortunately if you've got an Apple or anything like that, you won't be able to actually perform with this. But obviously there are many other ways that you can actually make money with apps and that. So check out my app playlist, and I'll put a link above here that you can go and check out, and I'm sure there'll be loads of other apps that you can go and try, even if you have got an iOS as well as Android. So let's dive straight onto our mobile and check out exactly how the Cashyy app actually works, and how you actually what you've got to do to earn PayPal cash, and also whether you can withdraw that PayPal cash. On to the Cashyy app, and straight away let's just quickly run through it. Obviously this is our current mission here in the first bit here, and obviously you can see here we're on day one, so I've only just actually downloaded this app just to try it and see whether it is possible to obviously withdraw PayPal cash on the very same day you download the app. And I'm going to tell you what I found in a short while. Now at the top here you've obviously got coins, and you've got a gear mechanism here, so if you want to edit a profile, you want any info, help, etc., terms of service and privacy, you can get all that there. And down here there's missions for you. Now this is where obviously other missions will be unlocked as you go through. Now all you have to do is literally click and download another game, and then play that game for a few minutes, and then you will start hitting the rewards. Okay, you'll get coins, and then once you've hit I think it's 3,999 coins, you can then obviously withdraw. So once you have actually hit your limit, which I have now, and this is the second time, I've already withdrawn once. So let's just show you and go through it again, how easy it is. So you click on the button here. Now this will tell you what payout method you've got. Now this is going to vary from country to country, so you may not have all of these available. PayPal is obviously there. I've got Amazon, iTunes, Starbucks and Zalando as well available to me. So if I want to choose PayPal, as it says here, for 3,999 coins, I'm going to get 29 pence, which is in UK money, and this equates to roughly probably about 40 to 45 cents. Now all you have to do, obviously once you hit that amount, now if you move this bar along, you get to different quantities. So another 7,900 is the next payout, and then 19,000 is the payout after that, and that goes up to £1.45 you can get paid out for that. So I'm going to keep this obviously on the payout for the low one, and then all we do is click payout. Just remember, it says here, it says your PayPal credit, after the PayPal is successful, the credit will be sent within 7 business days of your account. So although you can get payouts very, very easily and very quickly, one, they're obviously only very small amounts, and two, you're going to have to wait 7 business days to actually receive the money. But all you got to do then is literally check, and says payout in progress. Okay, so, and I obviously got the 29 pence from directly going into my PayPal. What I'll do once this video goes live, I'll actually comment in the comments below once I've received the actual money. But other people obviously are getting paid out, and they've obviously got over 118,000 good reviews. So I don't think there's going to be any issue there whatsoever. Now, another way you can obviously earn more points is by literally clicking the arrow button here. As you can see, if you refer friends, you can get 200 points for every friend that actually earns. Plus, additionally, you will receive 25% of their coins, and your friend will receive 25% of your coins that you earn. So you both earn out of the transaction, which is good. And all you're going to do is come up here and click on the plus icon here. This will open up and it says here, hey, I've just found an app that gives you money by playing games. And then you can obviously go onto Google Messenger. You can go onto Messenger. You can do an email. Plus you can obviously do Facebook and Facebook messages, all sorts of things you can share directly from your phone. So that's a great way of obviously adding more coins to your balance, and then obviously that means you're going to be able to pay out even quicker. So all in all, guys, yes, obviously the Cashyy app is paying out. It's paying out in PayPal money if you're after PayPal money. Remember, it's only available on Android phone and not on the iOS. But is it actually worth your time? Well, there are loads of different games out there, guys, that are going to get you a few cents, a few dollars per month. And this is one of them, unfortunately. So it's not going to get you an awful lot of money unless, of course, obviously you refer thousands of people, and then obviously you would be earning 25% of their coins, which could mean that you could be taking out $1 or $2 every single day without even having to play the game. So obviously, if you do want to obviously go and check out the Cashyy app, I'll leave a link in the description below here, just so it's easy for you to obviously click on and go through and download. And yeah, tell us how you get on with it, to see what it is, whether it's available in your country, because it's not going to be available in every single country as well. So let us know in the comments below whether you can actually download it or not. But definitely, if you're looking for some extra cash that you really not got to worry about and not think about, and you love playing games, then you might as well obviously be getting paid to go and play the game rather than actually earning nothing at all. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.